It costs thousands of dollars to hire a video ad agency and 3 weeks of circling back to make you a batch of ads. But AI can generate this entire pipeline now. So I replaced a traditional marketing agency with a single AI and a single link, and it built me a full campaign that I ran for an entire week. And the numbers speak for themselves. I'll reveal how much I earned at the end of this video, but there's a catch as well. I'm gonna show you all of it and the part that genuinely freaked me out, like genuinely, and the part where it falls flat on its face, because by the end, you will be able to do this yourself in about 30 seconds to 40 seconds of setup. Let me start by giving you a technical overview of how this AI pipeline works, because that matters even more than the ads, and making sure you understand it. First, we have a connector, an MCP, that gives an AI like Claude the ability to perform digital work. On its own, Claude can talk about your marketing campaign all day and make exactly nothing. It can't render a video. It can't drop a file on your laptop, nothing. But then there's a Higgsfield connector, which changes things. It hands Claude real tools, the latest video models, the latest image models, and lets it call them directly. Then it saves the finished MP4 files straight into my project folder, just like any other file. So this is not a chatbot describing ads to me. It's an agent that plans the campaign, generates it, checks its own work, and ships the files. Claude is the brain. Higgsfield gives it hands. My favorite part is the video verification element that Higgsfield gives it, as that's generally the hardest part of the video pipeline in my experience. So let's get to the setup instructions. First, in Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, hit the plus button, then name it Higgsfield, paste in the URL mcp.higgsfield.ai/mcp, hit Add, that's it. Takes about 30 seconds. So now Claude can reach Higgsfield's entire model stack. That includes CDance 2.0 for videos, GPT Image 2 for stills, and it picks the right model for each shot itself, which is the part that should make any agency a little nervous. Or a lot. Then I brief it exactly like I'd brief an agency, except I do it once and then I go to bed. It's like, here's my product, a smart water bottle called Hydra, and here are its worst customer complaints. Turn each complaint into a punchy 8-second UGC style ad that kills the objections, and generate them with Higgsfield. Save the MP4s to my output folder. And it does the thing a good agency does first. It actually thinks. It reads all the complaints, pulls all the recurring objections, writes a counterhook for each one before it renders a single frame. And so it's actually planning an entire campaign. It's not just spitting out clips. It is a cohesive narrative that it's built. So let me show you what it made. The lid leaks became a slow-mo of the bottle upside down and bone dry. Too expensive became a clean cost per day breakdown. It sweats and slips became a hand gripping it in the rain. Holds on while when you can't, it's just a water bottle went full aspirational. Gym, trail, desk, same bottle, 3 different lives. So every one of these started life as a 1-star review and came back as an argument with a visual. So no two look the same. There's no stock footage that's being used. I wrote 0 of the creative prompts. I just gave it the complaints and it made the ads, which is exactly what you would want. So now let's get to the freaky part of this process. So one generation came out pretty rough, garbled text. It looked pretty cursed. And I watched Claude notice on its own. It rewrote its own prompt and regenerated it pretty cleanly. No nudge from me. And that right there, catching its own mistake and fixing it, that's the part that's most valuable in this pipeline. I love it when the AI does quality checks on its own outputs. And then the even more insane part is the finished MP4s just appear in my project folder named output. Like any other file, there's no exporting involved, there's no second app, no render queue, and then from there, we can upload them and start scheduling posts. Okay, so here's the big catch I've been talking about, because a video where everything works is a commercial, not a review, and I'm not doing that to you. I'm gonna show you the real review. So I pushed it harder. I asked for a 30-second narrative ad with the same character in every single shot, same face, same outfit, and it couldn't do it. the character drifted. There was different faces. By shot 3 or 4, the continuity was totally gone. And that's the known hard problem in AI video right now, by the way. I experienced it myself many times now, and Higgsfield doesn't magically solve it. So here's the honest line. If you want punchy 8-second single concept ads, this is genuinely production ready, and I have run these. If you want a consistent character mini film, not yet. Knowing exactly where that wall is gonna save you a wasted weekend, and so now you know. So what makes this pipeline different from the others? And the answer is the sheer volume and the speed of it. You get a batch of ads from reviews overnight, and it's dropped into your code base just like assets. So for a solo founder like myself, or a small brand that can't drop thousands on an agency, that's a real unlock. But where you still 100% need a human is the taste part. So you have to know which of these actually is gonna sell, what the brand voice is, the one with the soul in it. And the agent will get you 90% there in a campaign in an afternoon, but that last 10%, that part is the one that makes someone actually buy, that's you. And that cost gap is the part that's gonna bother some people, because an agency run is low thousands of dollars in a few weeks. And this was the Higgsfield compute pipeline, and a week of me directing it, and I got $80 in sales, which is not bad. You know, this time, this is only gonna scale up with time, but in general, it's not a fair fight anymore. If you want to try it, the Higgsfield link is in the video description. Connect it to your Claude in 30 seconds. And if you like watching me hand AI agents real jobs and then tell you the unfiltered truth about what they can and can't do, please subscribe. And there's a new build every single week, so tell me down below, what should I make an agent run next? A whole product launch, a faceless brand from nothing? I'll do it. I have no impulse control and apparently no ad agency anymore. Until next time, happy building.